The shorter the time we spend doing what we're supposed to do, the better it is for us. All of us here are intelligent people. All of us here hear well. All of us are able to follow instructions. Yeah? What we are going to be doing is recording some information. You will have to get your hands dirty per se. Yes, we have gloves and things. It's a field trip. It's not a vacation. For the persons who came for that, you were wrong. So the quicker we finish, the quicker we come out of the sun. I don't want to be out here in the sun.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
But make sure so when you're going on the bus, the worksheets are complete. Normally, different methodology include observation, questionnaire, interviews. We're not doing no interview nor no questionnaire. What we're doing is a waste audit. It says it is to determine the type of waste and amount that is being generated. So part of your aim today is to what? Determine the type of waste and what? The amount of said type that is present. Each group of 5 or 6 students will select an area of the study site from which to collect waste. Sort the waste by category. So for example, we're missing up here, so in condoms, you're seeing cups, you're seeing boxes, bottles. So there are different things done. So when you're collecting, you put all the bottles one place, all the paper one place, the condom papers them one place. That's why you have gloves. When I say nobody go take up no condom with them and I say take up the condom wrapping, not the condom itself. Team will do what? The team will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The team will weigh. We don't have the scales. We were supposed to get some scales, but we never get them. Right? So we will have to improvise. The students now, and listen to this nice part. I like this part. Students will record the data on the table provided, and team members should also take pictures of the waste collected. Normally at a field trip, you go up on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat a million pictures. And when SBA time comes, nobody can find no picture because we only take picture of persons and not picture of how we come out here to take. Be wise.
Yo,
put it there so I'm done the time.
Because for yourself for me, paper.
So here's so now, so the number is where you get 10 bottles, plastic bottles. You write your number, paper, same thing. Here so now you're going to determine. Compostable means it's organic. They have a determiner, so if you need help with that,
We don't want nobody to break the camera, please. I do.
Yeah, put salt in the bar.
Come right now. What if
Go up already and count and fill out the machine. is what we do to the planet on a daily basis. You, me, all of us. Because there's nobody standing in front of me who can honestly tell me, say, we dispose of the garbage the proper way every time.
Not every time.
So we also need to play a part in protecting the environment. And that's one of the reasons why you're doing this topic.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.